Welcome back to Crazy Dave's Crew. I'm Laura. You are watching day 21 of the Hemline Grotto Sewing Advent Calendar. And if you've ordered one of these from the link that's down below, and it takes a couple extra days to get here, I think it comes from the UK. So just be patient. Day 21. Oh, right up here at the top. Day 21. Bigger. Another tape measure. But this time it's a nice wide one. I don't know how many of these I have lost. I think there's a reason why Joann's has these for like 99 cents or something. But those are a little cheaper. This is a really nice one. It's thick. I like, it's not a pastel color with white numbers, you know. It's black and it's got silvery numbers so you can see it really well. So I have one that I can put in a drawer up here for doing stuff around the house, and I have another one that's now in my purse for me to take with me. Oh, turn it upside down. 3 more days to go. We are almost there. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Please be sure to like and share this video. We love it when you share. Most importantly, don't forget to come back tomorrow when we open up box 22. Thanks for watching.